Every morning starts with a choice. Not just what you eat, but how you set the tone for your entire day. A healthy breakfast sharpens your focus, increases your energy, and stabilizes your mood. In a world that moves fast, this small moment becomes your anchor. A pause, a reset, a commitment. Today, we will go over how to make a healthy, nutritious breakfast in just under 5 minutes. All you need is 2 scoops of whey protein, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 spoon of peanut butter, and 3 dates. 455 calories of protein, fibers, and healthy fats. Blend it into something tasty and healthy. You can enjoy it in your home, or you can have it on the go. Because wellness isn't a trend, it's a lifestyle.